Are you tired of spinning your wheels trying to generate leads, only to get ghosted or stuck in endless follow-ups that go nowhere? What if I told you there's a way to attract qualified, high-paying leads to your business without begging, spamming, or wasting hours on outdated tactics? Sound impossible? Think again. Introducing Lead Rogue, the revolutionary system designed to flip the script on lead generation. With Lead Rogue, you'll stop being the hunter and start being the boss. Imagine this: waking up to an inbox full of leads who are eager to work with you, building trust with your audience before they even contact you, closing more deals faster with less stress and effort. No spammy cold DMs, no expensive ad campaigns, and absolutely no more chasing dead-end leads. Lead Rogue isn't just another lead gen course. It's a step-by-step system to help you build an audience of raving fans who value what you offer. Position yourself as the go-to authority in your niche, and create a consistent pipeline of premium clients on autopilot. But don't just take my word for it. Here's what others are saying. Lead Rogue changed my business overnight. I went from chasing leads to signing 5 high-ticket clients in just 1 month. Time is your most valuable asset. And with Lead Rogue, you'll get hours back in your week to focus on what really matters: growing your business and living your life. So, are you ready to ditch the outdated tactics and become the go-to authority in your space? Join the Lead Rogue revolution today. Click the link below to get started now. Because the leads you're chasing should be chasing you.